Recording in progress.
Hi, and welcome to Key Stage 3 Science Chemistry on pollution. So let's have a read of this together. So the atmosphere is being polluted in many ways. Number one, there's acid rain. So first of all, fossil fuels may contain sulfur. So fossil fuels are fuels such as coal, oil, and gas that we actually burn to make energy. Sulfur is a non-metal. When non-metal oxides are dissolved in water, they form acidic solutions. When these fuels are burned, sulfur dioxide is produced and released into the atmosphere. This gas dissolves in rainwater to produce acid rain. The acid rain can harm statues and buildings which are made of rock that contain calcium carbonate, like limestone, chalk, and marble, for example. Acid rain can also attack exposed metals, so fossil fuels may contain sulfur. Acid rain can damage and even kill trees. It can also harm animals and plants. So what about the formation of limestone caves? So at least 50% of any limestone is the mineral calcium carbonate. Limestone reacts with acids. Many geologists carry small bottles of hydrochloric acid to test if a particular rock contains limestone. Limestone reacts with the acid to produce carbon dioxide, water, and a salt. If the rock fizzes when a little acid is dropped on it, the rock contains calcium carbonate. Most other sedimentary rocks show no reaction. When carbon dioxide dissolves in rainwater, it forms a weak acid which reacts with limestone. The limestone dissolves away, forming fissures and caves. So reducing the amount of fossil fuels that are burned will decrease the amount of sulfur dioxide and carbon dioxide put into our environment. So that's a key thing that we need to learn here. Catalytic converters, so the exhaust fumes produced by cars contain many pollutants. Catalysts are chemicals that speed up chemical reactions, but are not themselves used up. So catalytic converters are devices fitted to the exhaust systems of cars that are made of precious metals like platinum or rhodium. The catalysts convert harmful pollutants like carbon monoxide, unburned hydrocarbons, and nitrogen oxides into harmless carbon dioxide, water vapor, and nitrogen. So because the fact that we burn so much fossil fuels, such as coal, gas, and oil, this produces what we call sulfur dioxide, which is released into the atmosphere, and also carbon dioxide, which is released into the atmosphere, which is very lethal for our environment. And these are some of the causes of global warming that we have at the moment. So, and this produces, in effect, acid rain, which could affect buildings and statues and even trees and plants as well. So catalytic converters are devices that are fitted near exhausts of cars that can actually filter out some of these dangerous, harmful pollutants like carbon monoxide and hydrocarbons and nitrogen oxides into the atmosphere. Now, these catalytic converters do a good job, but at the same time, they do not cut the amount of pollutants that we actually pollute while we're driving cars. And that's one of the reasons why electric cars now are becoming quite popular in a sense. So have a read of this particular chapter again, and you've got some questions that follow that you need to answer. And we'll follow this topic up in much more detail in our next lesson. Good luck.